Hi, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Wanted to speak with you today about the accounting profession and what opportunities exist for you as you're actually pursuing your career. Now, there are a few things that I'll always discuss when I'm having conversations with the students that I work with, those that I'm coaching, and it's essentially this. When you wake up in the morning and you're looking in the mirror, you're talking to a friend, and you're speaking with your family members, and they're asking, what is it you do for a living? I hope that you can, with some confidence, state not what job you have, not what you do as a task, but actually who you're becoming and what it is that you do in your career. Are you an accountant, a bookkeeper? Now, as I introduce this concept, I want to put it into some context. Look at it this way. Think of, for example, doctors. Doctors actually have things that they've chosen to specialize in. If you're not just a doctor, you can actually be a dermatologist, a gynecologist, a pediatrician, a heart surgeon, whatever the case may be. But these are obviously things that you specialize in. Well, what we want to do is look at it from the point of view from accounting. What is it that we've chosen to specialize in? Are you a CPA? Are you an EA? Are you a CMA? Are you a CIA? Well, one of the things that you want to consider doing as an individual working with small business owners is becoming what's called a professional bookkeeper, a QuickBooks specialist, a professional tax preparer. These are all designations that help the business owner or whomever else know what it is you do. It's what you've chosen to actually specialize in as you've pursued this profession or career in accounting. So let's just talk about this a little bit. In accounting, one of the things that I always do with my students, and one of the things that I would encourage you to do as I coach you, is this idea of writing down clearly what it is you are. I give you this statement: I am a successful accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer. That's what you need to decide. That declaration needs to be clear in your own mind. Now, I'm going to introduce you to a new concept. I want you to understand that there's this phrase out here that Universal Accounting Center is very much proposing and promoting, and it's the idea of becoming a profit and growth expert. You're going to be hearing more and more about this because it's an emphasis on those individuals who, like you, like myself, who are working specifically with small business owners. And it's that concept of how, when you're working with a client, can you actually help them be more proactive in their business to pursue increased profit margins, decreased tax liabilities. What are those things that you can do? Well, that attempt, that approach, that technique is becoming a profit and growth expert. Now, one of the things that I want to encourage you to do is take that statement that we just looked at a moment ago. I am a successful bookkeeper, tax preparer, accountant, CPA. In fact, I do for my clients what's called I am a profit and growth expert. Okay? Now, with all of that, I want to end with one last statement here, something that you should be sharing every morning when you wake up to yourself in front of the mirror. And it's, I'm a successful accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer. In fact, for my clients, I'm a profit and growth expert. But lastly, it's this idea, this statement of, I'm currently taking on new clients. So with all that in mind, who are you? Write it down, be clear, be succinct with your profession so that as you're speaking with people, you have the confidence that you should have as you're speaking of what it is you do for a living. Now, with all that, let me just also say this. If it's about accounting, it is universal because accounting success is universal. Take care and have a great day.